Here we'll go over some of the tools that we used when discussing the assignment to joints project, and you may need some of these tools to complete your assignment. I'm going to start by offsetting these joints, and we're going to exert a force and see how that affects the rest of the connected sticks in this case. Force exerted through jointed, in this case, sticks or limbs. I'm going to first exert that force by moving this main controller, and I'm going to do that by animating this to the right and setting a keyframe here and S, and I'm going to turn on my auto keyframe toggle. I'm going to navigate up to frame 20. And move this in the other direction. I'm going to copy that original first frame by selecting with the middlemost button and dragging that to 40. And then we've got our force that's exerted. And now I'm going to have the reaction of what's going to happen to the sticks or limbs below this force. And I'm going to select these by going from bottom up, as we discussed in the last video. And then I'm going to rotate them in the Z by selecting the Z in the channel box and in my panel middle mouse, and I'm going to set this to about 60 and move this so we can see it now. And then I will set a key there, and then we'll do it in the negative 60 on frame 20. And our keyframe is there already. And then we'll go back to 1 and middle mouse button select and go to 40. There we go. S. All right. So now we're going to exert the force through these limbs, and we're going to have that force offset so we can get our nice delays. Each of those sticks will delay in its reaction. I'm going to save this file. Yes. All right, let's take a look in the graph editor. I'm going to go to Panel, Layouts, 3 panes, Split Top. I'll take a look in my camera on the top right. In my left, I will have the perspective, and in the bottom panel, Graph Editor. I'm going to offset these by 5 frames, so I'll start with this one. I'll isolate the rotation Z in the graph editor, and I will bring this up to 5. I'll start at the other controller, controller 2,